guys, welcome to EG Technology. My name is Navjot Singh Jadeja, and in today's series of C programming tutorials and lectures, we are covering looping statements. And specifically in this video, we are talking about while loop. So why do we need looping statements? So let us understand this with the help of an example. This is a simple program of printing hello onto the output screen. This is what you have done already, in the earlier part of the lectures, and if somebody has done the programming, they know what this is all about. But if I want to have repetition, let's say I want to print hello for 5 times onto the screen. So basically the simplest way is I might have to write it 5 times, right? But imagine the same code I have to, like, I want to print something repeatedly for about 10 times. So then the program would look something like this. But imagine I want this for a particular instance of time. I want a repetition there. Then what do? Then the program would look something like this, and it will keep on doing the same until I give a break statement, or until the number of statements are over. So one of the solution to do that is we can use the if condition instead of doing it repeatedly, because that's not a good programming practice what we saw. So we can use the if condition is true, then execute this statement. But then again, this will only do it for one period of time, right? It will printf something for the given condition is true. What if I want to still do the repetition? For those scenarios, we have looping statements in the C programming. So basically there are different types of loops which we have. Either we have the entry control loop or the exit control loop, or the more familiar ones which you have heard is while, do while, and for loop. So in this video we are discussing while loop, and while loop is a solution to that particular problem. So as you can see it in here, while is having a syntax where if the condition is true, it executes the statement repeatedly. So that is why I have marked this in here, that it does it repeatedly till the condition is true in here, right? So it's a repetition which we will get, and it will check up the condition and execute anything which is the block of the code within the the boundary of the loop. So let us understand little bit in detail in here. So if you can see it in here, I have marked that we have the I, which is a simple value which we have initialized with 1, and there is a while loop which is checking the condition which it is checking is I less than 10, then it will print hello. So this will keep on printing hello because I will always be less than 10. We are not incrementing or decrementing I here, so it will get into an infinite loop. Now again, because in order to avoid that situation, we have to modify the program in terms of I, which we have to manage within the loop itself. So what is the change? We increment the value in here with I plus plus every time the loop gets executed, and every time it will check in here whether I is less than 10 or not. So the initial value would be I is equal to 1. Let me take up a pen and explain you here. So I is equal to 1 will be the first value. I is less than 10, so it will get inside the loop because 1 is less than 10. It will printf hello. Now I plus plus, so it becomes 2. So again the value of I is 2. Again it is less than 10, so it will printf hello until, so how many times it will do? Until 9, because when we get I is equal to 10, it will not be less than 10, it will be equal to 10. So it will exit the loop and execute the rest of the statements if there are any beyond this, right? So it will execute the loop from 1 to 9. So this is how while will execute. Now let us understand this with the help of a flow chart. So we have a flow chart. We have the condition which we check. If that condition is turning out to be true, as you can see it in here, then it will execute the body of the loop, and till that condition is true, so again it will go up here and keep on checking. If it is turning out true, it will execute the body of the loop, and if it is false, as I showed it here, then it will exit the body of the loop, and remaining statements which are there will be executed. So this is how the flow of the conditions work in the while loop, and that is why, because it is checking well in advance the condition, it is known as entry control loop, because before getting into the loop it checks the condition. Before the entry it checks the control condition, right? There are other loops which are also exit control. The example is do while, which we will be seeing in the further videos. So let us understand the complete example of while loop, which is from the university exams, or this is how they ask in the university exams. So we have this, the basic statements include stdio.h void main. Now let me take my pen in here. So I have taken I value is equal to 1. So I initialize I with the 1. It is an integer value. I have given in here the condition. So this is my checking condition, I less than or equal to 5. So this will be executed for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 as in the value of I. Because it is equal to, it will also take up 5. Anything more than that, it will not. And what are we doing inside that? Printf %d and I. So we are printing the value of I. So what would happen when this loop is executed? This very thing which you are seeing in here will be printed. But because they have used the new line character, it will be printed in the next line. And every time it will increment the value of I. So the next time it compares, the value of I would be incremented from 1 to 2 and so on up to 5. When it increases more than 5, it will execute and execute the rest of the statement, and it will be end of the loop. So this is how the while loop works in the C programming. That is it for today's lecture. If you have any doubts, please ask in the comment section. We will be coming up with the same in the solution in the further videos also. If you like our efforts to teach C programming in the simplest possible way, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any feedback, feel free to comment in here. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.